There was an exciting festival atmosphere for the opening of the redeveloped Shantytown Sawmill. Now after a stroll round Shantytown, we'll catch a steam train, the Kaitangata, up to the sawmill. You can walk up, but today we'll take the train and walk back. The Kaitangata was built in 1896 and weighs in at a whopping 22 tonne. It has been the mainstay of the Shantytown line since the opening in 1972. Here we are at the sawmill, but first an opening speech by the Minister of Tourism, Honourable Dana O'Connor.
Thank you very much for inviting me to be here. And I'm here under a number of different hats, I guess. The first as West Coast Tasman MP, and that's an honour. As Minister of Tourism, it is a very significant event to be at. But what we are, as I say, here to do today is to celebrate a piece of history, a commitment by the Shantytown Board and the Historic Trust here. And I have to acknowledge Peter and all those people. I can remember coming back in the late 70s, I think it was, to an event here at Shantytown. It was the iconic destination on the west coast for anyone who should come to our region. And it still is, while, you know, times have changed a little and we have a bit more competition. The $13 million plus plans that they have for redevelopment will make Shantytown once again a must-visit destination. So thank you very much for turning up. Thank you for inviting me. I declare the Inference Creek Sawmill open, and may it thrive and support the Shantytown destination a long time in the future. Thank you.
Now that the formalities are over, we will walk through to the boardwalk and go through the old sawmill itself. Now for a nice leisurely stroll back through a short bushwalk. On the way back we'll pass through the gold panning area, where if you're lucky you could strike it rich. Here we can see some tourists trying their luck. Hopefully they will walk away with gold. Well, that's been our day at Shantytown. Do come and visit next time you're on the coast. I'm sure you'll really enjoy your day there. Bye for now.